iPhone 16 Pro Max tipped to offer 48-megapixel camera and other photographic leaps. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, speculated to be the successor to last year's iPhone 15 Pro Max, is rumored to feature enhanced camera capabilities, as per details shared by a tipster. The upcoming flagship model from Apple is expected to sport an improved 48-megapixel primary camera sensor, surpassing the size of sensors used in the current and previous generations. The larger 1 by 1.14-inch sensor is anticipated to deliver superior low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and enhanced bokeh capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to incorporate a 48-megapixel Sony IMX903 camera sensor with a customized design. The inclusion of a 14-bit analog-to-digital converter and digital gain control is expected to contribute to the camera's improved performance. Earlier predictions by Ming-Chi Kuo from TF Securities International suggested that the iPhone 16 Pro models would feature an upgraded ultra-wide-angle camera. Additionally, the Tetra Prism telephoto camera setup found in the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to make its way to the smaller iPhone 16 Pro later in the year, meaning that the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are likely to feature two upgraded cameras in total.